Hello, and welcome to our tutorial series on EasyBilling. Today, we're going to show you how to save time and paper with the software's handy print duplicate feature. Whether you need a copy for your records and one for a customer, or multiple copies for different departments, EasyBilling makes it simple. Let's get started. First, from the main menu, navigate to Customize Document and select Preferences. In the Preferences window, you'll see a Print Duplicate tab. Click on that. Here, you have three options to choose from: Print 2-in-1, Print Duplicate, or the Print Triplicate button. Let's quickly go over what each of these options does. Print 2-in-1, this is a great paper saving option. It will print 2 copies of your document in A5 size, side by side on a single A4 sheet of paper in landscape orientation. Print Duplicate, this will print your document twice. The first copy will be clearly marked with an original copy label, and the second will have a duplicate copy label. Print Triplicate, as the name suggests, this will print your document 3 times. You'll get an original copy, a duplicate copy, and a third copy labeled triplicate copy. The best part about the Print Duplicate feature is the ability to customize the labels to fit your needs. In the same Print Duplicate Preferences windows, you can change the text of the original, duplicate, and triplicate labels. Want it to say customer copy instead of duplicate copy? No problem. And here's a useful tip: if you don't want a label printed on a specific copy, simply leave the text field for it blank. You can also assign a specific color to each label to make them stand out. Furthermore, you have control over the positioning of these labels. You can choose to have them appear on the left or the right side of your document. To ensure a perfect fit with your letterhead or document layout, you can adjust the vertical position of the label, moving it up by as much as 8 mm or down by up to 20 mm. For this demonstration, we choose the Print Triplicate button. After choosing your settings, click Save. Now, head back to any document. You will now see your new print button, whether it's Print Duplicate, Print Triplicate, or Print 2-in-1, right beside the regular print button. Simply click it, and EasyBilling will automatically print the specified number of copies with your customized labels. And that's how you use the Print Duplicate feature in EasyBilling. It's a simple yet powerful tool to streamline your document workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of EasyBilling. Thanks for watching.